A waterfall is definitely something they could use here. It's incredibly hot here in Miami at Ultra Music Festival. We're on a mission to turn the world into one big dance floor. I can't say this enough. I need your help. Tell all your friends, your bartender, your paperboy, your private detective, whoever. Tell them what's happening now and tell them to turn on the radio as loud as possible. This is A State of Trance, the expedition. And I think I'm really proud of this moment. We should have done this way sooner, Ruben, because we have all the artists here.
Yes.
End of the day, it's all about the fans.
Yes.
So we have here in the studio, we just picked you from the crowd. Nick and Aurea?
Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Great.
Great.
But you've been looking forward to today?
Absolutely.
Yes.
And you even wear a State of Trance 500 shirt.
Yep. I came to A State of Trance 500 in Miami, and
Nice.
I had a blast there. Couldn't make it last year, but I look forward to this every year from here on out.
Yeah, you're here just for today, or did you visit any of the other days here?
Yeah, been here all 3 days.
And
Awesome.
Aurea, you went to LA last year, right?
Yeah, I'm from LA, so we went to the Palladium and it was amazing. You signed my shirt and everything.
And do you go to every single broadcast, or do you listen to every single broadcast?
Especially on Sundays. I love Sundays.
Yeah, you love. What tune would you like me to play later?
Full Focus or Suddenly Summer, of course.
Nice.
The first song I fell in love with, that was yours, was Never Say Never.
Never say never. Okay. Well, thank you for your suggestion. Have an amazing time. Thank you for joining us here in the studio. It's a little bit more cooler here than out there, right?
Absolutely.
Yes, a lot.
Enjoy the expedition and thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's quickly go back. Jack, who are we listening to?
Now on stage, TB, ATB, TATB.
I think the heat's getting to Jack.